So I'm going to try to get this screen changed. There we go. So everything was going along pretty well for World War II for radio. And after World War II, another amazing invention started to take the place of radio, and that is television. Amazing inventor. I think he was born on a farm in the Midwest. Ended up finding a way to send an image along with the sound on a different length of radio wave, and then to receive that image and turn it into picture and sound in black and white. And that was how television began, and took the place of radio as the center of entertainment for the family in the home. And here's a fairly early TV set. I'd say this is probably sometime in the early 60s. Black and white TV set, and signals are sent through the air. It's not wired, picked up with an antenna, which could be somewhat frustrating. There weren't lots and lots of channels. Fairly quickly, some major networks formed, and basically what happened was that the companies that were that survived radio consolidation, NBC and CBS notably, ABC, just followed almost exactly the same model for television. They established stations in major markets to begin with, had the stations broadcast their own local content, local news, things like that, but also set a large part of the day apart to get programming from the network. And in exchange for them getting the programming for free, they would agree to give the network a chunk of time within the programs so that the network could sell ads in multi-market, so basically national ads. And that's the model actually William Paley supposedly developed, and this is the model that's gone right through to today. Video Killed the Radio Star is a song. This is from MTV, and it looks like 1979, and just for fun, let's give that a little bit of a